everyone! I'm Lizzie and welcome back to Mama Liz's Kitchen. For those who are new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. For today's recipe, we will be making a salted egg prawn. This recipe is simply amazing and delicious. It was always a big hit in my family. This will take you less than 20 minutes to cook, so let's start! Here are the ingredients: 500 grams prawn, 60 grams butter, 8 cloves garlic, 1 large onion, 1/4 cup white wine. For the salted egg sauce, we will be needing 4 salted egg yolks, 60 grams butter, 1/2 cup all-purpose cream, salt and pepper, 1 small onion, and 4 cloves garlic. First, let us clean the prawns and put some salt. Add white wine and marinate for about 10 minutes. Heat butter in a pan over low heat. Add the garlic and onion. Saute until the onions soften. Add the prawns and let it cook until both sides turns orange. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add a 1/4 cup white wine used as a marinade and let it simmer for a few minutes. Set it aside once cooked. Now let's cook our salted egg sauce. Heat the butter in pan. Saute the garlic and onion until fragrant. You can now add the salted egg yolks. Mash it with the ladle. Add the all-purpose cream. Stir until it is well incorporated. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Let it boil for 1 minute. Add the prawn in the pan. Toss it well to coat with sauce. Our salted egg prawn is done, and now you can transfer it to a serving plate. Okay, let's taste it.
Tomorrow pa yan. So, schedule na tayo. Pero yung EDM, okay. Ano siya? Hindi lang.
It's so yummy. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.